Do you want to know what the best age is to start learning to play the guitar? Watch this video for 3 tips to knowing when your child is ready. Watch until the end of this video and I'll give you a free online guitar course to help your child to play their first song in under 1 hour. If you are stuck on getting on-point information to knowing if your child is a good age to start learning to play the guitar, then by the end of this video you'll be able to know the signs for when they are 100% ready to get started. I work with lots of parents each week helping their children learn to play the guitar. I have written kids tutorial books and I have an online course for kids who are just starting out. Be sure to subscribe and hit the bell so you'll be the first to be notified when I post new videos. While every child is different, I recommend that a child starts around age 6 or 7. Children do learn at a younger age, but it can take an exceptional teacher to overcome the difficulty when teaching more youthful kids. There are a lot of pre-instrument learning classes that are available for younger children to help prepare them for when they are ready to learn an instrument. Children around 6 and 7 can stay more concentrated and focused to take on the challenges of learning to play the guitar. Younger kids don't have much control over their motor skills yet. This is because a toddler hasn't developed all the necessary refined motor skills needed to gain control over their guitar playing. This can be the equivalent as writing scribble. Kids need to have adequate control over the skills needed to play the guitar. I also have another video on the best beginner songs for children, so please check that out too. The benefits of starting at age 6 and 7 will always be the right choice for starting. The guitar can help instill qualities such as perseverance, boosting self-confidence, and helping with brain development. Now you know exactly when your child is ready to start out. I have a free online guitar course that is a quick challenge to playing a song in under 1 hour. Please follow the link below.